Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring a crucial topic in English grammar, the present tense. Understanding the present tense will help you communicate more clearly and effectively. So let's break it down into the four main forms: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Let's dive in. What is present tense? The present tense in English is used to express actions that are happening right now, general truths, or actions that have relevance in the present moment. There are four primary forms of the present tense, each serving a unique purpose. What is it? The present simple is used to describe facts, habits, and general truths. It conveys information that is always true or actions that happen regularly. Why use it? We use the present simple to talk about things that are not just a one-time occurrence. It's about what you do regularly or what is true at all times. Examples: facts. The sun rises in the east. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Habits. I play soccer every Saturday. She watches TV every evening. States. I think this movie is great. He loves pizza. How to form it. 1. Affirmative. Subject, base verb, add tasasas or is for he, she, it. Example, she works at a bank. 2. Negative. Subject, do, does not, base verb. Example, he doesn't like ice cream. 3. Question. Do, does, subject, base verb. Example, do you like to travel? Present continuous. What is it? The present continuous is used for actions that are happening right now or around this time. It's great for expressing things that are temporary or ongoing. Why use it? We use the present continuous to highlight actions in progress or situations that are not permanent. Examples: I am reading a book right now. She is cooking dinner at the moment. They are playing outside. How to form it. 1. Affirmative. Subject, am, is, are, verb. Example, he is studying for his exams. 2. Negative. Subject, am not, is not, are not, verb, I'm. Example, I am not working today. 3. Question. Am is are subject verb. Example, are you coming to the party? What is it? The present perfect connects past actions to the present. We use it to express actions that started in the past and have relevance now, or experiences we've had up to this point. Why use it? This tense helps us talk about our experiences, changes, or situations that began in the past and continue into the present. Examples: I have visited Paris 3 times. I still remember those visits. She has finished her homework. It's done and she can relax now. They have known each other since childhood. How to form it. 1. Affirmative. Subject, have, has, past participle. Example, he has eaten breakfast. 2. Negative. Subject, have, has not, past participle. Example, we haven't seen that movie yet. Question. Have, has, subject, past participle. Example, have you ever tried sushi? Present perfect continuous. What is it? The present perfect continuous emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. It's perfect for showing how long something has been happening. Why use it? This tense allows us to stress the ongoing nature of an activity and its relevance to the present moment. Examples: I have been studying for 3 hours, and I'm still studying. She has been working at this job since 2020. They have been playing soccer all afternoon. How to form it. 1. Affirmative. Subject, have, has, been, verb. Example, he has been waiting for you. 2. Negative. Subject, plus, have, has not, been, verb. Example, I haven't been feeling well lately. Question. Have, has, subject, been. Example, have you been practicing your piano skills? On comparison. To summarize, here's a quick comparison of the 4 present tenses. Present simple, for facts, habits, and general truths. Example, she plays tennis every weekend. Present continuous, for actions happening right now or temporarily. Example, she's playing tennis right now. Present perfect, for actions that started in the past and have relevance now. Example, she has played tennis for 10 years. Present perfect continuous, for actions that started in the past and are still ongoing. Example, she has been playing tennis for 2 hours. Now it's your turn. Try writing a few sentences using each of the present tenses. Share them in the comments below. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we learn. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave your examples in the comments, and I'll be sure to check them out. See you in the next video.